guys, we are building a bed, and write the comment section who is the best bed in our challenge, okay? We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go! Start na! Very amazing.
Maganda pa lang ginagawa natin. Nag-challenge sino maganda na bed dito, guys. Comment lang. Then comment dito, oh.
Nasa kuya. Wait sa guys, kinakuha pa lang ko sa kapilong. So, mag-create kami guys para nindot ang mga Ay guys, kung mag-libog kayo guys ba, si Andre rin, number 1, i-comment na ninyo kung sa ang nindot nga gahi mo silang bed. Number 1 si Andre, ako number 2. Make sure nga inyong i-comment kay sakto og nice. Are you done? Happy? Happy lang.
Mauna pa sa akin, guys.
So guys, this is my room and my bed. Look, it's very nice and clean. And meanwhile, Andre is this. This is mine. Her very many pillows. And write down below the comment section who is the most very nice and lovely. He is number 1 and I'm number 2. Make sure to comment. Bye!